Alright, I'm going to do a D scale for you, and this is because we played the water, over the waterfall. Is it, or is that Liberty? That's Liberty. It's Liberty.
I've never heard of over the
Okay, and remember when we learned the G scale, we did the G and the D strings. We did, starting on this low 4 string, we went 0, 2, 4, 5, and then the next string was 0, 2, 4, 5. Well, now I want you to work on, you could still practice that, but one of the things we're talking about today is keeping these third knuckles, the last knuckle before your fingernail. You want to keep that bent a little bit because you were kind of playing with this stuff flat, and I kind of let it go because it seemed like it was less painful for you. But now, if you're going to be doing double stops with open strings like Bottom Cabbage, you're going to have to bend that knuckle, and that's why you were talking about cutting your fingernails.
I'm going to write that down, to cut nails.
All right, and then, so in order to work on this in these keys, this is in the key of D, this Liberty that we were doing. That's the one that goes. All right, and the second part goes. Anyway, that's the B part of Liberty that we were working on today. And in order to play this, I noticed that your fingers worked a lot better when these first knuckles were bent.
What you trying to tell me? Arch? No.
Arch, yes, arch your fingers. And as you arch your fingers, you'll notice your fingernails will start being an issue.
And so I already said cut nails.
And we also want to overplay away from the string that is open so that it can ring. So if we want the first string here open, we overplay with our left hand this way, away from that first string. If we want the third string open and we play on the second string, we want to overplay this way, toward this direction. So we get that, the idea is to get the open string clean. And so we play away from it. Alright, and then here is the D scale, starting on the third string, which is the D string.
Whoa.
And we're going to go.
Third string?
Third string, yes. Remember, good dogs always eat. So, good dogs always eat. G is the fourth string. That's how they're doing it. They're doing the acronym from fourth to first string. Good dogs always eat. G, D, A, E. And so starting on that D string, which is the third string, we're going to go 0, 2, 4, 5. And what we're going to work on this week is, bless you, we're going to work on keeping those fingers arched and not flattening them like this. So we're going to work on keeping those fingers arched. 0, 2, 4, 5 on the third string, and then same thing on the second string. Again, keeping those fingers arched.
You do the D, you do it on the third and the second?
Yes, that's one octave from the D to the D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 notes being one octave.
String.
And what we're really working on, in addition to playing one octave D scale, we're really working on keeping those first knuckles bent. We don't want to flatten them out, okay? We want to keep them bent and coming, kind of straight down. Just work more toward that, and I think your playing will improve real quickly. So.
Okay.